Hey everyone, welcome by. Today, we're going to build a clean, highly organized FAQ page using the Smind library app. Now, before we even touch Shopify or click a single button in the app, our very first step is looking at the Huel website. This is the exact design we are going to replicate today. Take a close look at how they've structured everything. They've broken it down with these bold, clear category headers like popular questions and product questions. Underneath each of those headers, the actual questions are tucked away inside these collapsible rows. If we click one, it expands to show the answer. It's super clean and incredibly user-friendly. Now it's time to access the Smind app. Go ahead and open your Shopify admin dashboard and select Smind Sections. Now that we are inside, we need to locate the Collapsible Content section and click on Collapsible Content to browse the library of accordion-style layouts. Take a moment to install your chosen template and see a ton of different variations. Browse through the available designs, and you've got basic text ones, or you want to add ones with images. Then we're going to find the exact layout for our new FAQ section, so we will choose this one. All right, click Install and then click Customize to add it to your page. After that, the Shopify theme editor will open automatically, so our next step is to navigate to your target page. Click the Page Selector dropdown situated at the top center of the screen, select Pages, and then click on the specific page you want to edit. So I choose a default page, for example. Now we are ready to add the new section. Over in the left-hand sidebar of the theme editor, scroll down and click Add Section. From there, search for or select the collapsible content template you just installed to place it directly onto the page. To customize the main heading, click on the New section, and over on the right-hand settings, we need to change the heading alignment and replace the placeholder text with your own title, like FAQs. You can also remove the descriptions if you don't want it. Next, let's build our structure and create a category header. Click Add Block under your section in the left sidebar and select Category. Use the right-hand panel to change the text to your first category name, such as Popular Questions. Next, I'm going to fill in your Q&A content. With the new row selected, look at the right panel. Type your question into the heading field and paste your corresponding answer into the content editor box just below it. To make sure it looks great, you will want to adjust the row typography. While you're still in that right panel, adjust the heading size of your question row so it stands out correctly against your category headers. To keep things tidy, you should remove unwanted default blocks. Clean up the template by removing any pre-existing blocks you don't actually need. Just click on the block in the left sidebar and hit the Remove Block button or the trash can icon. Then you can duplicate blocks to save time. Instead of creating every single row from scratch, just click the duplicate icon on your existing blocks in the left sidebar. Then simply click on the newly duplicated block and swap out the text for your next category or question. We are almost finished, but we need to click on the main section title in the left sidebar to adjust global settings. Scroll down a bit until you see the collapsible row layout option. You'll notice there are actually 4 different numerical buttons here: 1, 2, 3, and 4. These represent 4 distinct styles for how the accordion lines and icons appear. Next up, let's center this block of text so it sits perfectly in the middle of our page. Look for the Content Position setting and click Center. Then right below that, we want the text inside the rows to be aligned neatly to the left. So under Content Alignment, make sure Left is selected. Right now, the text stretches a bit too far across the screen, which makes it hard to read. We can easily fix this. Find the Content Max Width slider. I'm going to grab that slider and bring it down to exactly 700 pixels. Finally, let's brighten this up. Scroll down to the Color Scheme area and click into the Active Scheme block to edit our colors. We want a crisp, clean background, so click on the Background Color swatch and change the hex code to pure white. And the most important step, save your changes. Always remember to click the green Save button on the top right corner of the screen to push your new FAQ layout live. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and I will see you in the next training session.